Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your United Airlines account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type united.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the home page of United Airlines. To sign in, we simply have to look at the navbar. On the top right section of the screen, next to the card, you will find the sign in button. Simply click on it. Now it will ask you to enter your mileage plus number and your password. In case you forgot any one of these, here are the buttons that says forgot mileage plus number and forgot mileage plus password. Simply click on any one of them, follow the prompts, and again get access to your account. You also have the option to click on this checkbox that says remember me. It's completely up to you and it's optional. If everything is okay, click on this sign in button right here and you will be able to access your United Airlines account. In case you have not created an account, here's a button that says create a mileage plus account. Click on it and follow the prompts. That's how you will create a new account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to your United Airlines account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.